Hello students, today we are going to discuss class 8 Rachna Sagar book English multi-skill course book Unit 3 Section C The Gallows. A part, answer the following questions. Question number 1, what was the fate of the weasel? Answer, the weasel who lived in the park with his family was shot by the park keeper and then hung up on an oak tree in the park. The whistle now swings in the sun and rain and in all weather. Question number 2. What were the characteristics of the crow? Answer. The crow was a noisy bird who did not terminate his cawing even at night time. He was also a thief and a murderer and would be at his job in the park till late in the evening. Question number 3. What did the keeper do to the magpie? Answer. Though the magpie was a skillful bird, he did not achieve anything by his actions. He too was shot by the keeper and left to hang flapping in the wind and the rain from the bough of the park's dead oak tree. Question number 4. What was done to the bees in the park? Answer. Like the birds, several bees that lived in the park were shot dead by the keeper while they were hunting their prey. They were left swinging from the oak tree bough in a leisurely manner. Question number 5. What role does the old play in the poem? Answer. The oak tree is the witness to the cruel acts of the keeper. It is also the last resting ground of the dead creatures of the park, as they hang from its branches, unsheltered from the wind and the rain. Now, section B. Read the extracts given below and answer the questions that follow. Number 1. There are no more sins to be sinned on the dead oak tree bough. A part. Why were there no more sins to be sinned? Because they have silenced forever by the gunshot fired by the park's keeper. B part. To whom do the above lines refer? Answer. It refers to the crow that lived in the park premises and was killed by the keeper and hung on the oak tree. C part. Why is he called a sinner? Answer. Because he was croaky, a thief, and a murderer. Question number 2. He could talk and do, but what did that avail? A part. Who does he refer to? Answer. Magpie. B part. What are the two abilities mentioned here that he possessed? Answer. The magpie had a long tongue and a long tail in addition to being talkative and doer. C part. What does the second line show? Answer. It shows that the bird's superior skills were of no avail as it did not save him from being shot at and killed by the keeper. Now, third question. And many other beasts and birds, skin, bone, and feather have been taken from their feast. A part. Who took the beast away from the feast? Answer. The park keeper. B part. What is the significance of the term feast? Answer. It signifies the moment when these creatures were eating and enjoying their food. C part. What impression do the words skin, bone, feather have on your mind? What is the poet trying to convey? Answer. The poet trying to convey the readers that the park keeper had killed all sorts of animals, whether they are small or big, bird or animal, and all have been reduced to skin, bone, and feather. Question number 4. Without pleasure, without pain, on the dead oak tree bough. A part. Identify a refrain in the poem. Answer. It's on the dead oak tree bough. B part. Why is there neither pleasure nor pain? Because the keeper had shot them dead. The dead creatures did not feel any pleasure or pain anymore. C part. What purpose did the oak tree serve? Answer. The oak tree, which was once the home of these many creatures, is now their last resting place, where they swing from its boughs in all seasons. Thank you. Now the chapter is complete. Please like, share, and subscribe my video. Thank you.